Okay, time to take a look at the LYERCW Cordless drill. So we got our instructions, we've got our battery, and it is a 21 volt battery. It is a clip style, and we got a charging port there on the top. And our charger is 100 and 240 volts, so it's good for international or domestic, and that outputs 21 volts. So that will just plug in there, and that is how we charge it. Here is the drill. So I do like seeing that they got a full rubber texture here all the way around. We got our forward and reverse. We got our torque setting. So if I have this on 1, you can see I can stop that by hand. I take that to 8. It's a little tougher, and if I put that all the way to the drill, it'll just spin this out of my hand. So nice having these torque settings. And it looks like we got a light there on the front. So one cool thing about this drill is it comes with all these bits. So we have a magnetic bit holder, so if we got tiny bits, we can throw it in there. And also provide a small extension if we need that. Then it looks like we got 3 sizes of Phillips, 3 sizes of flatheads, and a handful of drills. Then at the bottom, we also got some sockets. It looks like these are all metric. So we got from a 12 down to a 4. And then we got a socket adapter so that we can actually chuck this into the drill. Now this is one of the cooler things. So this has a bendable extension. So if we don't have the clearance to put the entire drill in there, we can chuck that up, and then we can hold this in place around a weird corner. As we spin that, it will spin the end. So very nice tool to have if you need it. And it looks like we also have a couple of options for speed. So if you need to worry about heat control, you got that as an option. So yeah, overall, that's a very cool drill.